If you're even thinking about trying Cal.build AI, don't do anything until you hear these 7 crucial things, because this might just be the best just released AI software this year, or a complete time waster. Let's break it down quickly. First off, yes, you can try Cal.build AI completely free from the first link below. And trust me, once you see what it can actually do, you'll want to stick around, especially for number 6. It's something I haven't seen in any other AI tool yet. Cal.build is a new AI tool designed for fast, clean website creation using natural language. You literally type what you want. I need a landing page for a personal brand. And Cal.build generates the whole thing. Layout, copy, forms, even responsive design. No dragging, no coding. And it's surprisingly polished right out of the gate. What sets Cal.build apart from other AI site builders is that it actually understands context. I tested it with vague prompts like a sleek site for an author who writes thrillers, and it returned something you'd genuinely be proud to publish. Fonts, colors, structure, it wasn't generic, it was tailored. Speed-wise, it's lightning fast. You'll go from idea to functioning website in under a minute. For marketers, freelancers, or founders, this saves hours. I've built hundreds of landing pages over the years, and this is the fastest tool I've tested that still outputs quality. Now here's a big one. Cal.build lets you instantly export your site to HTML, or host it directly with them. Most free AI builders lock you into their system. Cal.build gives you control. That's a game changer if you actually want to own your site or integrate it into existing workflows. Also, the AI doesn't just guess what you want, it asks clarifying questions before building. That small detail drastically improves the end result. It's the difference between meh and nailed it. And this dynamic prompt refinement, I've only seen it in high-end AI agents, not site builders. One underrated feature I didn't expect: version control. You can roll back to any previous version of your site with one click. That's a lifesaver when you're testing copy or running A/B experiments. But here's what really blew me away. Cal.build isn't just for landing pages. You can build blogs, portfolios, SaaS pages, even client proposals, all dynamically structured based on your prompt. Stick around because this is the part that made me go, okay, this is next level. And while it's brand new, the dev team behind Cal.build is shipping weekly updates based on user feedback. That's huge. A lot of AI tools launch big and die slow. This one is iterating fast, and it shows. If you're serious about digital marketing, client work, or growing a personal brand, Cal.build AI deserves a spot in your toolkit. Again, you can try it free. Links in the description. And if you're testing out multiple AI tools like I am, I've listed my top recommended AI softwares below. They're all free to try, and after running thousands of tests across different niches, those are the ones that stand out. Don't sleep on Cal.build. It's fresh, it's fast, and it's surprisingly smart.